In July, the machine fleet of the Design and Engineering Technology Bureau LLC Sovelmash was strengthened with specialized equipment. A selective soldering machine arrived. With its help, it will be possible to solder through-hole components onto boards, minimizing the amount of manual labor. Another advanced CNC lathe equipped with an extended bed was also successfully delivered. Additionally, a comprehensive chip briquetting unit was delivered, which will significantly help to reduce the substantial costs associated with transporting and disposing of metal shavings by efficiently processing them into valuable bar stock. A vacuum impregnation unit has arrived. It speeds up and improves the impregnation of windings, increasing the service life of motors. The equipment fleet has been expanded with 2 section winding machines, which are necessary to ensure the uninterrupted operation of the line by eliminating production bottlenecks. A new coil insertion machine has been successfully delivered. It effectively automates the entire process, replacing manual labor and significantly increasing productivity. Robust metal mobile containers have also arrived for collecting and transporting waste from the stamping of electrical steel. A new sturdy shelving unit has been assembled, where heavy tooling for stamping has been securely placed. All the machines were installed in their designated workstations. At the same time, production continued in July. Frames for size 318 motors with a 50 mm core stack were prepared, as well as rotors for size 318 with a 55 mm core stack. At DETB, essential preparatory measures were initiated to ensure uninterrupted operation during the upcoming autumn-winter period. The thorough flushing of the heating system's dirt filters, a detailed technical inspection of critical components and equipment, and diligent preventive maintenance at the enterprise's heat and power facilities. And most importantly, the sophisticated chiller plant, the most complex engineering system at DETB, was successfully launched. In the workspaces, the climate control equipment began to be gradually switched to cooling mode, with individual settings being adjusted. It has become much more comfortable to work in the offices and workshops. The process of approving the architectural and urban planning solution and obtaining the CCR continued. LLC Sovelmash is awaiting the results of the latest inspections. On July 5th, in Abuja, the capital of Nigeria, the debut Solar Group conference for this country was held, with the participation of the company's top executives. More than 500 people attended, which is twice as many as expected. Pavel Filipov and Andrei Lobov spoke before them. Everyone noted the active engagement and unity of the participants. Such events always provide a powerful impetus for the development of the project and the influx of investment in the region. For the first time in Benin, a boat with an electric motor based on Slavyanka was tested. The tests involved Andrei Lobov, director of the production cooperative Ressource, Solar Group project ambassador Gil Weber, and our partners from Benin. The motor performed excellently on a heavy boat carrying 24 passengers. Want to learn more about the project's development? Follow our news and check out the roadmap. It is available via the link in the description.